Hello everyone, I'm taking my little Civic to the body shop for spring. So I just want to get a couple of things looked after. So this is mostly a memento for myself, but you're welcome to come along and watch. So the emblems, I'm getting new emblems. They're on the way. I'm getting the front bumper redone. Mostly the scratch that I'm worried about is this one here. So there's a lot of lots of little scratches on here. There's one here that I don't like, so he's gonna look after that. Basically just repaint that. And then I have a paint problem here on the bottom of the door. That's gonna have to be fixed. He told me he had to repaint the whole door for that. So if it's got to be done, it's got to be done. And then when I bought the car, it had a little bit of rust here. So he's going to look after that. And then we'll repaint the rear bumper. So the back bumper is pretty nice, except for maybe this section here. I'd like to get that done. There's another scratch here that I'd love to get done. The rest of the car is pretty nice. So my car came back from the body shop. The paint delamination's gone, and he did also the rust in the back here, so that's gone. Actually the car looks really good, and I did the touch-ups on my calipers. I guess the little rocks get in there and rock chip your caliper, so that looks real good. All the bumper stuff is gone too, and I'm putting on my mags. So let's get to work. There's even time for a beauty shot. Sure feels good to have that rust all gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.